Hi, 7th graders. This is Miss Tillman coming with your daily practice for Monday, October the 5th, and Tuesday, October the 6th. Please make sure you do your daily attendance. Click on my picture to get the video for today. You're already watching the directions video for today. If you're watching this, please make sure you watch your team video to see how your learning has been modified. Our standard is RL 7.4. Determine the meaning of words and phrases as they are used in a text. Analyze the impact of rhymes, repetition of sounds on meaning and tone in a specific line or section of literary work. Our learning targets. I can determine multiple meaning of words and phrases. I can determine the impact of rhymes and repetitions of sounds on meaning and tone. Teach, learn. Read the poem, The New Colossus. The New Colossus is found on Common Lit. There's also a PDF that is provided for you. Let's try it. Use 2-column notes to take notes and provide examples for the 3 statements below using this poem. You are not to answer the questions on Common Lit. Once again, you are not to answer the questions on Common Lit. You need to provide answers for these 3 statements. In your notes, record 1 example of impactful rhymes or repetition of sound. Pick out 2 examples of word choice in the text and explain why you believe the author chose these words. Determine the author's point of view about beliefs. Okay? Let's think about today. We are almost done with the theme of beliefs. I'd like to know what examples of beliefs can be discussed from today's selection. Submit a copy/photo of those notes and answer to today's closing question to your teacher via Canvas. Okay, so those are your directions for today. If you have any other questions, concerns, please email me, Google Voice me, or remind me. Have a great day. Bye.